there would be a web link. You can directly go through the web link and log in to the PeopleSoft by giving your user ID and password. But here you need to install VMware and then only you can access PeopleSoft learning session. Yeah. So you can get the software details from our institute.
Okay.
Dilip can help you out on the same. He can guide you how to get it installed.
Okay.
Dilip, are you there?
Yeah, I was there.
Okay.
Just I'm muting myself so that you can hear. Okay.
So, as of now, do you have any idea about PeopleSoft? Why it is used?
No.
Okay, I will give you. PeopleSoft was an independent company that provided various application packages to be used by organizations, to be used by industries or software companies, to be used by education sector. So these various application packages that was provided by PeopleSoft include HRMS, that is Human Resource Management System. Then CRM, Customer Relationship Management. ELM, Enterprise Learning Management. So this company provided various packages for various kinds of industries. Like for managing the human resource, they provided HRMS. For managing the customer relationships, they provided a CRM package. For enterprise learning management, there was a different package. And there are some other packages also. Later on, what we are learning is PeopleSoft HRMS. PeopleSoft Human Resource Management System. Later on, this PeopleSoft HRMS package that was provided by the company PeopleSoft, it was acquired by the company Oracle in the year 2005. So now it is called as Oracle PeopleSoft HRMS. You got it, Tejasvi?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we are learning is Oracle PeopleSoft HRMS. In the year 2005, Oracle has acquired it, and in market there is a lot of demand for PeopleSoft. So many projects are there for PeopleSoft. Also, the various advantages of PeopleSoft is that as compared to SAP, it is very user friendly. It is a most robust application that consists of various modules that here what you are doing, you are managing the human resource in the organization. So it has every module included for managing the human resource. Like in human resource management system, what can be required? Can you tell me? In general, if they are managing human resource, that means what they are managing?
Like employee details?
Yeah, they are managing the employees in the organization. If there are employees, there are managers also. So manager details in the organization. Apart from that,
who are working in the office? Everyone.
so benefits in the organization, what the benefits the employees are getting in the organization, maintaining the time data of the organization, that is timesheets. There is a separate, apart from timesheet, there are some other things also. Then maintaining the payroll and compensation of the employees. So this is in general. In general, for human resource, these things are required. Then security of employees and managers' data in the organization, that is PeopleSoft security. So this is in general what can be a part of HRMS, Human Resource Management System. We'll go in detail also. So till now, is it clear to you?
Yeah.
So in market, various versions of HRMS came from 8.9, 8.49, and what we are learning is 9.0. That is PeopleSoft HRMS 9.0. So if you can work on this version, you can work on the lower versions also. You can work on this, on the advanced versions also, like PeopleSoft HCM, because all the navigations and most of the part would be same. Only there would be some minor differences. So now how to start the PeopleSoft? First you need to get this VMware installed in your machine. Then there are some commands that you need to enter. Once you get VMware installed, I will tell you.
Okay.
You can text me your personal email ID. I will send you the syllabus there. You can go through that syllabus also, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Okay.
So we'll start from the initial introduction to PeopleSoft. What is the process flows and integration in PeopleSoft? People tools overview, HRMS and HCM basics, objective and HR functionality. This is nothing but the part of introduction to PeopleSoft. Then I will tell you about the personal data. How employees' personal data can be added into the PeopleSoft, how employees' personal data can be modified, how their bank accounts are set up, what are the various organizational relationships, what is the dependent information. Identification data, how employees are identified, identification data like their voter ID card or their licenses, checklist, what are the documents required for the employees to submit to the organization, employee self-service module, timesheet reporting, requesting absences, updating their own personal information, employee can view their payroll and compensation details. So I will be sending you the syllabus. You can go through that in detail. So this is the PeopleSoft login screen. In real time, if you are using PeopleSoft with your company, then what will happen? There would be a web link. You can directly go through that web link and enter your credentials to enter into the PeopleSoft. So there is a standard user ID and password TSPS in caps that you can enter for this learning version. Also, there are various language options like English, German, Francois, Italian, whatever language you enter, your PeopleSoft you can open in that language. Suppose I selected this. But it's not accepting my user ID and password now. But it's the way to enter in another language also. Suppose if you want. So this is the menu for various modules of PeopleSoft. In this delivered version, PeopleSoft company, the Oracle has provided these all modules, but all these modules are not used in real time. Whatever is used in the real time and what are majorly used in real time by the companies, we have included in our syllabus. And in that module also, what are the important things that are used in real time, we have included in our syllabus. So I told you, PeopleSoft is managing of human resource. So, you are managing human resource, that means there would be employees to manage. So to manage the employees data, they have provided one self-service for the employees. So in general, what do you understand by self-service? Tejasvi?
Yeah, by we can.
Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
In general, what do you understand by self-service? This is one of the modules that we are going to cover. So I just wanted to give you some idea before explaining that in detail in our classes.
Okay.
They have provided self-service for the employees, they have provided self-service for the manager. So in general, also in some other technologies, there are self-service like employee self-service, manager self-service. Name may be different, but the purpose is same.
Okay.
So they have given in PeopleSoft, they have given employee self-service. In the same way for managers, they have given manager self-service. These are the basic but very important modules in PeopleSoft that we are going to discuss.
Okay.
So what do you understand by employee self-service? Any idea?
No.
Employee self-service is like self-service option for every employee in the organization so that every employee can view and update their personal information. First time when the HR hires any employee, then he enters some personal information for every employee, like this is the name of the employee, this is the date of birth of the employee, this is the gender, this is the marital status of the employee, this is the address and contact details of the employee. Later on, whatever HR has entered, employees can view that personal information. In your company, suppose you are an employee of particular company, so every company is having some portal where you can view your personal details. What is your name, address, contact information, that's it. Tejasvi?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, are you getting me? In your companies
Yeah.
also there must be some portal where you can view your personal details, your address, contact information, whatever is entered by your company's HR for you. Yeah, in the same way in the PeopleSoft, if the users are using PeopleSoft, they can view their personal details. So all the employees who are using this PeopleSoft as a software, they can view their personal information from employee self-service.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, in the same way, suppose you have your personal information is updated in some portal of your company. Later on, if you want to change something in your personal information, suppose you want to change your address details, you want to change your contact number, so all those details can also be updated. You can update it. Is it correct?
Yes. In employee
So
self-service.
in the same way, PeopleSoft users can also update their own personal information
Okay.
to employee self-service. From where they will update employee self-service is this self-service. Okay.
Okay.
In the same way, in your companies, there may be some portal where you request for your absences, where you enter your time sheets, time data. Is it so?
Yeah.
In the same way, in PeopleSoft also there is a navigation for the employees who are using this PeopleSoft as their software. So they can update their timesheets, they can submit their timesheets. Also, employees can submit their leave request. So this can also be done through self-service. Apart from that, what are the benefits provided to the employees? Employees can view their benefit details. But these benefits are provided by the company. So every employee cannot change their benefits. They can only view the benefits that is provided by the company. Okay. So this is view only. In the same way, employees can view their compensation details. What is the salary that they are getting from the organization? In your companies also you must be able to view your compensation details. In the same way, this is view only. They cannot modify their own salary. It is up to the company. If the company modify, they can view the modified details. Like all the compensation letters, all the past review letters have been uploaded in the portal for the employees. In the same way, there are some other things also in self-service. Like employees can request for any training course. So there are some other things also in self-service, like I will tell you those things in detail. So this is time reporting, personal information, payroll and compensation, benefits, learning and development. All these things we are going to discuss, and all the important navigations inside it. Like payroll and compensation, whatever is important, that is used in real time. This is the delivered package, but in real time, whatever is used, I will tell you that in detail. Now, manager self-service. You can guess why manager self-service is used? Tejasvi?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Are you clear with employee self-service?
Yeah.
So you can guess about manager self-service, why it is used?
Like employees only, manager also can do it.
Managers can also?
You can update those personal information or anything.
No, but in PeopleSoft there is some different concept. Managers can update, view and update personal information of their reporting employees through manager self-service. Manager self-service is like manager can view the employees' details, their reporting employees' details. They can't view their own details through manager self-service. So remember this. Managers can view and update personal information of their reporting employees. Suppose you are the manager and 10 employees are reporting to you. So you can view and update their personal information. You can't update, but you can view their personal information. You can update other details. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. In the same way, employees can employees can submit their timesheet through employee self-service. So manager can approve the timesheets of their reporting employees. Suppose there is an employee John who has submitted his timesheet through employee self-service, and he is having manager as akin and he will approve his timesheet from manager self-service. So managers can approve the timesheets of the reporting employees. In the same way, managers can approve leaves. Whatever leaves the employees has applied for, manager can approve the leaves from manager self-service. Manager can approve the training that are requested by the employees, approve trainings. Managers can view the compensation, view, and they can also update, view and modify the compensation details. Manager, if the manager want to increase the compensation for their reporting employees, they can do it through manager self-service. So one basic question I am having with you, manager can approve, view, update the personal information and other information through manager self-service for their reporting employees. But from where manager can view and update their own personal information?
There is a common purpose.
There is a
Common place for those people.
no, I am not getting you. Your voice is not that much clear.
Hello, now is it okay?
Hello?
Yeah, hello, now is it okay?
Yeah. Why it is not very much clear? Are you using mic or not?
I'm using earphones only. I don't know why it's not using.
Okay. Okay. So manager self-service, if there is some manager and he wants to update his own personal information, so from where he can do that? Either through manager self-service or employee self-service. Now you can guess and tell me, just for an idea.
If I'm a manager, I can go to the employee details also, I can view.
Okay. Actually, a manager is also one of the employee for the organization. So for the manager, employee self-service and manager self-service both would be accessible. So if manager logs into the PeopleSoft in real time, he will be having access to employee self-service also to view and update his own personal information, and he will be having access to manager self-service also to view and update information of their reporting employees. You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Tejasvi?
Yeah, come in.
Okay. So managers can view and update their own information through self-service. So because managers are also employed to the organization.
Okay.
But to view and update the personal other information of their reporting employee, they use manager self-service.
Okay.
Okay. Now we after these self-service modules, we'll cover workforce administration module also in your syllabus. So workforce administration module, what it is about? How to add a new, how the HR, your hiring manager, will add a personal data of any new employee. So apart from employee, there are various organizational relationships in the organization. Like there can be employee, there can be contractor, and there can be person of interest. In PeopleSoft, these are the three organizational relationships. So what is the difference between them? I will be telling you. How to modify the personal data of the employees. Okay. Then how to add a job data of the employees. Any idea what is the difference between personal data and job data?
No.
Tejasvi,
Yeah, tell me.
any idea what is the difference between personal data and job data?
Job data will be like payroll and etc. Personal data will be whatever we have personal like that. In normal can be fine.
Any voice is not clear. Hello?
Maybe my problem I think so. Okay, carry on.
Okay.
I can hear your voice very clearly only.
Okay. Job
How is it
data,
okay?
you understand the difference between personal data and job data, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Job data is like department, location and other things. So it's not like that there are some 2-3 fields only. Personal data, that means it consists of large data. Various fields are there in personal data. In the same way in job data also, there is a lot of data that needs to be entered in PeopleSoft. So we'll cover that in our syllabus. What is inside job data, what is inside personal data. In the same way, identification data, visa, passport information of the employees. Okay. So there are some other things also in workforce administration module. We will cover that in detail in our syllabus. Whatever is the important thing, we'll cover. I just gave you an idea about the modules that we are going to cover. This is workforce administration module. So we'll cover personal data, job data in detail. Then benefits. So HR enrolls some benefits for the employees, like employee will be getting some health related benefits, some medical benefits, some saving benefits, if there are disabled employees, they will be getting some disability benefits. And there are some PeopleSoft specific terms used in benefits that we'll discuss in detail. I'm just giving you a brief idea. What are benefits? There are different benefit plans. There are different benefit plan types. And there is a benefit program. During our sessions, I will tell you the difference between them. This is very important. Difference between plan type, benefit plan and benefit program. How the benefits are enrolled into the employees. These various benefits are assigned to the employees by the HR. Then we'll discuss about the payroll. What we are covering in our syllabus is payroll for North America, because nowadays most of the projects are US based projects, and this payroll for North America is an important module that is used mostly and majorly by all the companies. So how the payroll is generated, like various steps of payroll processing, entire process flow of pay sheet creation, pay calculation, how the pay sheets are created, how the pay is calculated, and how the pay is confirmed in PeopleSoft. Finally, how the checks are printed. That we'll discuss in detail. Apart from that also, there are some important tables of the payroll that we are going to discuss, like what is pay run ID, what is pay calendar, that is important table, what is balance ID, what is pay group, So benefits module I will show you. This is the benefit module that we are going to discuss. Employee dependent information, enroll into benefits, review employee benefits. So all the important things are inside it. Enrolling various benefits to the employees like simple benefits, health benefits, assignment to the benefit program, disability benefits, saving plan, and all. Then payroll for North America. This module also we are going to discuss. So the entire process flow of the payroll, whatever is used in the real time, we'll discuss in that. So whatever happens in real time is far different from whatever they have given in this delivered version. They have given all the things in delivered version. But what is used in the real time, that we are going to discuss in our class. Then also I will show you about the PeopleSoft HRMS tables, all the important tables in PeopleSoft. Like from where the department is set up, various departments are set up, where the location is set up, where the business unit is set up, where the company is set up. Okay. And there are various other tables also that are a part of PeopleSoft HRMS that we'll discuss in detail about them.
Okay.
In this foundation table, organization, so many tables are there. So we'll discuss all the important tables, holiday schedule, how the holiday schedules are set up in the organization. Suppose 10 holidays for US, 10 holiday for India. There would be holiday on Christmas in India, 1 holiday for Christmas. There would be 8 days holiday for Christmas in America. So how it is set up, we'll discuss that. So all the setup HRMS, we'll discuss about the installation table also.
It's not automatic, you have to do manually.
Then we'll discuss about PeopleSoft security. In People Tools security, there is a PeopleSoft security. So why security is important in PeopleSoft? Any idea?
Because anyone can access the data.
Yeah. So anyone will not be able to access data. Suppose you are an employee, so you can view your own personal data only, your own compensation detail, your own benefits. You can't view the salary and other personal information of some other employee. So that's why security is important in PeopleSoft.
But it's not automatic, you have to do manually.
Every user will be having separate user ID and password to enter into the PeopleSoft. This is also one kind of security, that is user level security. Various kinds of security. Another is security by permission list. Like permission list is the term used in PeopleSoft. I will tell you in detail also about it. So there is a row level security also. In brief, I will tell you the difference between the permission list and the row level security. Permission security by permission list, that means every user is not having access to every module. So this is, in this learning version, all the modules are visible to you. You can view the security also, you can view the payroll also, you can view the benefits also, you can view the manager self-service also. But what will happen in real time? Are all these modules visible in real time? Can you tell me? Tejasvi,
Yeah.
can you just guess, are all these modules visible in real time?
Not all modules, I think so.
Okay, so what should be visible for a PeopleSoft employee in real time?
Like whatever it requires for me, like whatever the respective employee
Yeah, so
details.
all the modules are not visible to every user. So this is security by permission list. Suppose somebody is employee in the organization, then only self-service module would be visible. Rest all the modules won't be visible because he is only employee for the organization. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Okay, somebody is manager in the organization, then self-service and manager self-service both will be visible to him. Why both? Because manager want to view the details of their reporting employees through manager self-service and their own details through self-service.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Okay. Then workforce administration, it is for the HR, hiring HR to hire a new employees, to enter their personal data, to enter their job data and other details. Benefit, it is for the benefit HR who will assign the benefit to the employees of the organization. Like employees is, well, if this employee is disabled, so he is eligible for disability benefit. This employee is eligible for saving plan benefits. In the same way, payroll HR, for payroll HR, this payroll for North America would be visible, so they can enter the salary detail, whatever is the salary processing for the employees in the organization. Those salary process flow and all would be the part of payroll for North America. So it would be visible to the payroll HR. So it all depends on the access in real time. So one single question, if all the modules are not visible, why do you want to learn all the modules? Why you are learning?
For one person it will be some modules will be necessary. For another person some other modules will be necessary. Backend will be there.
The same way security module would be visible to the security administration because he can control the security of all the users. Like only 10 users can log into PeopleSoft. So he will create user ID and password details for only 10 users.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Various levels of security are there. We have only discussed about the two. I will tell you all the important securities that are used in PeopleSoft in real time. Okay? Okay. So if you are working for a client may be using, you are not using PeopleSoft. Client is using PeopleSoft at their end. So there are some employees, and for them, if they are facing issue in self-service module, then they will report some issue, is some service request for the same, and you will work on it. That's why you must be having knowledge of self-service. If they are having any navigation issue or some issue in manager self-service module, so they will request for the same. In the same way, if they want some action from your end to do in payroll for North America or to do in benefits, so you must be having knowledge for every module because you are working for a client. Are you getting me?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So that's why we have included all the important modules so that you can work for the client. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the part of your demo session. I will send you the syllabus. You can go through that in detail. Okay. Any questions? So technical tool also, but then also you need to verify the integrity, that whether they are in the correct departments or not, and all.
Okay.
Okay, so usually in support project, production support project, what happens is data is already existing, but they want to set up some 5 new departments, some 10 new departments. So you won't be taking the risk in entering through some CI or some component interface or some technical tool. Better to add it manually because there may be risk in the production environment. If there is a huge data, then you can try some technical work in the lower environment and verify that in the production. But it happens rarely only. So, this is the SQL Server database.
Okay. You are connecting database to the HRMS.
Yeah. So whatever you enter there in front end, it will go to the database.
Okay.
It will execute query and it will list down all those employees that are hired in your PeopleSoft system. So there is connection with the database also. This is one component. In technical term, what we are calling in functional term is the module. This is workforce administration module, but in technical term it is one component. So every component won't be visible to every user. For employees, only self-service would be visible. For hiring manager, workforce administration would be visible. For manager, self-service and manager self-service both are visible. Okay. So this is the technical part. There is some connection with the database. Just for an overview, just for an idea of technical part, I told you about it. But as a functional consultant, you will not require this SQL Server database. As a functional consultant, you must be having idea about all these modules and the functionality, how it is working, what every module does, what are the important things, what are the important fields, what is the difference between two similar fields, what are the various kinds of organizational relationship, what is the difference between employee, contractor and person of interest in PeopleSoft, what is the difference between business unit and set ID, what is the installation table. So the entire control will be controlled by the functional consultant. You must be aware about all the functionality functionally if you are working as a functional consultant in any company. Okay?
Okay.
So, any other queries?
Yeah, I hear like there is a 360-degree view. So, any idea about that? Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
I hear that in PeopleSoft there is a 360-degree view. Do you have any idea about
Your
that?
voice is not clear. I am not getting you.
It's okay.
There is a lot of background sound also. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, fine.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I hear that there is a 360-degree view also in HRMS.
There is a
360-degree view.
360
Okay, it's okay, fine. Yeah, carry on. I will wanted to.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.